These are AI-generated videos of intricate matchstick sculptures being set on fire, and this niche is going viral right now. This page has already hit 90,000 followers, and their videos are racking up views fast. One has even reached 28 million. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these yourself, step by step. Let's get into it. First, head to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for Burning Matchstick Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you a list of 10 different sculpture ideas to choose from. You can pick one or type in your own. I'm going to type a tiger. Now it's going to give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. Link is in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, Create Image. Click Model and select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 and resolution to 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. This is what yours should look like. Pick your favorite and click Image to Video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Back in OpenArt, click on Model and select Kling 3.0 as the video model. Paste the prompt in, turn the audio toggle on, set it to 10 seconds and 1080p, then just hit Generate. And this is what the final video looks like. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.